Good morning, everyone. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 30th of July. Bank of Japan interest rate decision. BOJ will announce its interest rate decision during tomorrow's Asian morning and is widely expected to remain on hold at minus 0.10%. Currently, JPY overnight interest swaps imply a probability for the bank to remain on hold of 98.37%. A lot of ink has been spilled on whether there is going to be a more hawkish tweak regarding the bank's QQE program in the accompanying statement. However, recent financial releases seem to disagree with such a scenario. Also, analysts mention the possibility for the bank to lower its expectations regarding inflation, as it currently seems to be drifting further away from the bank's target. Should there be a neutral to dovish comment, we could see the JPY weakening. USD JPY continued its sideways movement on Friday and today's Asian morning between the 110.75 support line and the 111.30 resistance line. The pair could continue to have a sideways movement, however some bearish tendencies could follow. Should headlines about a hawkish tweak in BOJ's accompanying statement affect the market? Should the pair come under selling interest, we could see it breaking the 110.75 support line, while should it find extensive buying orders along its path, we could see it breaking the 111.30 resistance line. US dollar awaiting for direction. The US dollar remained in a rather stable situation in the past few days, however had some weakening tendencies against some of its major counterparts. USD losses seem to be currently limited by a rising 2-year Treasury yield, implying strong market anticipation for future rate hikes. Analysts noted that even the strong US GDP data was not able to lift the dollar on Friday, as the market may be more interested in data including the tariff implementation in July. Overall, should there be no surprise in the fundamentals, we could see direction of the US dollar dependent on the central bank interest rate decision this week, especially FOMC. Euro USD broke the 116.40 support line on Friday in anticipation of the US GDP growth rate, however corrected later on. We could see the pair continue to move in a sideways movement today, although some bullish tendencies could exist as financial releases today may favor the euro side. Should the bulls command the pair's direction, we could see the pair aiming, if not breaking the 117.45 resistance line. On the other hand, should the bears be in the driver's seat, we could see the pair breaking the 116.40 support line and aim for the 115.80 support hurdle. In today's other economic highlights, in the European session, we get Germany's preliminary HICP rate for July, while in the American session, we get the US pending home sales growth rate for June. As for the rest of the week, on Tuesday, France's and Eurozone CPI preliminary rates for July are due out. On Wednesday, we get the US ISM PMI for July and FOMC's interest rate decision. On Thursday, the much-awaited BOE interest rate decision will be released and could significantly move the market. On Friday, market focus will shift to the US employment report with its NFP figure and to a lesser extent the UK services PMI, both for July. For more information, please read the full comment on ironfx.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.